They finally came. Greetings, everyone. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your busy schedules to watch this. I still have no idea why you guys watch this show, but thank you guys. I don't even want to waste any of your time. I've been waiting for this review forever. I ordered these from GOAT like last month when I was in Texas, and I even paid additional money to move up to the instant shipping option, and it feels like years later, but this pair of shoes has finally come in, and of course, I'm talking about the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner Sand. Look how flexible this is. You can really just fold it like a sloppy slice of pizza, and but I wouldn't recommend doing that because it smells really bad. So the Yeezy Foam Runner in the Sand colorway released on March 26, 2021, along with its twin, not identical, the Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. Both of these pairs came out on the same day and retailed at a price of $80, but the hype is so real on these shoes that resale went crazy immediately. The day of, I was seeing people selling these for $500, $600. Things have calmed down just a little bit, and now you can find these on your secondary markets like Gold or StockX for maybe around $300, $400. Not so bad, right? So let's go over the features of the Yeezy Foam Runner in the Sand colorway and see why people are paying so much for a shoe that looks like a clog. Now with the Foam Runners, it is just a plain box on the outside. You will have this sticker just showing your size, but other than that, it's a plain brown box. Sticking the lid of the box to the bottom, you do just have this circular seal, and you can just cut that right open. And we'll get these shoes out of the way. So now once you are inside the box, on the inside of the lid, it says foam. Right here in the middle, it says Runner, RNNR, and then right at the bottom underneath where you had your shoes, you have your sizing tab, the colorway, it's gonna say Etham, and it says Yeezy Foam Runner made by Adidas. So this shoe is made of algae foam. You can definitely smell it as soon as you take it out of the box, but it has this smooth feel all over the shoe. It's insanely soft, but at the same time, it feels so structured. It feels like it could last you a really long time, and that is great news because if you're paying that much money, you want to make sure that you're going to get miles out of this. It has a huge hump on the front, kind of making it look like a dolphin, but trust me, this hump does not make it uncomfortable to wear. There's not like a huge space over your foot. It still fits like a regular shoe. This is merely just a part of the design. When pants go down and hit the top of this shoe, it looks really good because of that hump. Eyes will automatically be drawn to the millions of holes that are all over this shoe. The holes, of course, are for ventilation to get some air onto your feet, hopefully not your bare feet. I know that when we initially saw the Foam Runners and people were on motorcycles wearing these, they were barefoot, but I definitely think that people should wear these with socks. I think this is an opportunity to show off some of your coolest socks. But the holes are also a part of the design for this shoe. They're symmetrically placed on the outside and medial side of the shoe. And looking at the back of the Foam Runner, you will notice those big oval shaped holes, very reminiscent of what you have on the Yeezy 700s. On the inside of the Foam Runner, you have tons of bumps. Looks like me back in high school. Inside the shoe, you will notice that you don't have your typical sizing tag inside the shoe. You have this sticker that shows your size. This sticker can definitely get lost, so if you want to keep that, I would take it out, put it inside the shoe box. But one piece of sizing information that will travel with you at all times is this branding right on the collar of the shoe. It says Foam Runner. It will show your size. In my case, it's 12 US, and it says Made in USA. This is a slight difference from what we had on the MXT Moon Gray, which was made in China. And I assume that the MXT Moon Grey was made in China because the manufacturers in the US weren't able to give it that marble design that everyone loves so much. But like the original Ararat, the sand colorway is made in the USA. If we flip the shoe over and show the outsole, the traction pad is like this wavy design going down, and then you have these little holes that are like ponds almost. At the tip of the shoe, they're kind of shallow. And then as you get further back, you have these deep holes that you can kind of stick your finger in. And that last hole is the only Adidas branding on this shoe. You just have that classic Adidas logo in there. So yeah, we've nerded out on the features of the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway. Now, let's slap them on foot and see what they look like.
Try to work hard, but it's harder. Every time I go to work, I look in the back room. You're slacking off, man. You're slacking off. How come you slack off so much at work?
Now it is time to talk about sizing. The Yeezy Foam Runner comes in full sizes, and apparently you can go true to size in this. A lot of people have been saying that they've been going true to size and they don't mind the snug fit. If you wanted to have a little bit more room inside of your foam runners, you could size up, although that wouldn't be a half size, you would have to go a full size up. If you typically wear a half size in Yeezys and you wanted to make sure that you have some foot room, you can definitely go up to that next full size, but I don't think it would be a killer sizing down to like your Nike size. So like I wear an 11 in Nikes, an 11 and a half in Yeezys. I purchased these in a 12 because I wanted to have more room.
And I ordered these forever ago, so I didn't even have the MXT Grays yet. But yeah, I'm going to fast forward all this part so that we can get to the next part.
But there's certainly room in there, so I could have gone true to size and gotten 11 and my feet would have been fine. And these are an instant conversation starter. Anywhere that you go, people are going to notice them and they're going to comment on them. I've been wearing the MXT Moon Grays out a lot, and trust me, people have a lot of opinions on that shoe. These are still going to get people talking just because it has such a crazy design, but the MXT Moon Grey takes it to a whole other level because it looks like someone spilled paint all over you. Initially, I was only going to purchase this pair just because I thought that I could wear it with so much more. But now, after all this time, honestly, these feel a little too basic after having the MXT Moon Grays. The sand is still a great colorway though, and I do plan on putting some miles on these, but my mind has completely changed about how I view the MXT Moon Grays. I don't know if I mentioned that these stink. Oh man. Oh yeah. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this review of the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway. This is honestly one of my favorite Yeezy silhouettes, and I'm glad that I was able to redeem myself after failing to pick up the Ararats in 2020, which is basically the exact same shoe. So if you didn't completely hate this review, feel free to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment sandy cheeks below. Thank you guys, as always, for watching these videos. I really appreciate it, and I will see you soon on the next one. Peace.